Hi Barrett Wilco Knitters. I'm here today to show you a couple quick things about some new products that we have in our shop. The first one is this beautiful hat by Thea Coleman. It's called the Glenfiddich hat, and it's these squishy, fun cables and rib, and it's knit out of one skein of our Wisconsin Wool and Spun worsted weight. And I know I have a really tight shot here because what the other product is that I want to share with you are these great pom-poms that we got. We have 5 different natural colors, and I don't know if I'll be able to squeeze them all in here, but I have, white and some cream, kind of a fox one, and a black. There's 6 different neutral colors. But what's different about these faux fur, they're all faux fur pom-poms, is that they are attached to the hat with a snap, which is really a genius solution to tying your pom-pom on because they stay really secure in place. You can take off the pom-pom for washing your hat, or you can interchange the pom-poms if you want. If you feel like you're in a white pom-pom mood, you can snap that one on, and then if you want to go to a more, I think this one's called like a fox color, you can interchange your pom-poms with your mood, or in between hats too. So what I'm going to do today is just show you quickly how to stitch this snap part onto your hat. And so I've unsnapped it from the pom-pom. It will come together like this. You have to take the bottom piece off. And then I'm going to show you how to quickly stitch this on just with a needle and thread. So the holes are quite small. Oh, let me see if I can get that the right way. There you go. You can see the holes on the snap are kind of small. So you need an actual sewing needle. A yarn needle is too big to go through. And I just have a doubled length of thread, sewing thread, and then I knotted the bottom of my thread. So I'm going to hold the snap right on top of that gathered hole on the top of your hat. And actually I should show you, this hat has a really pretty top too. It's all a very intricate design up at the top too. It kind of comes into a pretty cool pattern there. So what I'm going to do is just hold that right on top of that gathered hole, and I'm going to bring my thread in through the underside and come up right through the hole, and I'm just going to go through each of these holes on the snap bottom. Oops, can you guys see? Make sure I'm centered there. And I'll go through each one, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 times. I'm going to insert the needle back into the spot where I started, and then I'm just going to pop up on the inside, and I'm going to pop up right where the second hole is. Just kind of turn that hat a bit. So what's great about these too is that you can wash your hat with the snap right on. That's not any problem at all. And then you would just repeat that 2 more times, and you can see that I've just stitched, 2 of these on like that, and you would just go under here and pop up at the next hole, stitch, 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 and the same thing here, stitch, stitch, stitch. And then I would just send the needle into the inside and tie off with a nice tidy little knot and trim that off. And I'll show you one that's already done. So here's another one, and here's one on this hat in the Wild Plum colorway, and you can see that it's on there nice and tight and very secure. And then you just take whatever pom-pom you have, find the snap kind of buried in there, and snap your hat on, your pom-pom on your hat. And then you have this beautiful faux fur pom-pom right on your hat. So I hope that helps a little bit, and enjoy your Glenfiddich hats and pom-poms.